Welcome to MyProjectBazaar.com. Our project title is an OpenFlow architecture for energy-aware traffic engineering in mobile networks. Our project abstract: to cope with the growing traffic demand, future mobile networks will be denser and integrate heterogeneous technologies. However, if not properly engineered, such networks may incur huge energy waste, then there is little traffic and may suffer from an unbearable management burden caused by the variety of technologies integrated. In this circle, we propose and implement a novel management architecture for mobile networks based on OpenFlow, which supports resource on demand provisioning in a centralized control plane and hides the technology specifies from the controller through the use of abstractions. The feasibility of the approach is demonstrated by a real-life prototype based on commercial of the self devices. Our data flow diagram. In the data flow diagram, this is from starting the users. Here is the network process. We first want to create a network design. In the network design, using the network selection, we want to deploy the nodes. Using the number of deploying the nodes mention the number of users in the system. The deployed nodes can be plotted as a calculation and create a network design. In the network design, it mentions the different types of networks. In this network creation, we can select the source and the destination using the certain process. In the source, it can be a login user, and the destination it can be another user. The network selection can be a neither wired or wireless networks. Related to the source and the destination can be chosen. After that, the file can be chosen. The file can be neither any kind of files. Most probably the text file or a video files can be chosen. The videos or text file can be converted into a packets during the related to the file selection, and the packet can be transmission in the networks. In this process, the OpenFlow process can be used. The OpenFlow can be calculate the network's flow and reduce the traffic hour in the process. The network design can be mentioned that the OpenFlow process and the related source to destination traffic can be reduced to send the file from the source to destination. After that, the network analysis can be done. In the network analysis, the source can be analyzed and the destination can be analyzed, and the intermediate node can be found to transmit the packets without any losses, and the nodes can be predicted related to the packet loss and the transmissions delay and the nodes delay. The path can be selected of the low traffic of transmitting the files from the source to destination, and the related graph can be generated as a result. The results can provide the related data of the node flow and the files from the source to destination of the flow. The data can be mentioned that the related destination details, and the notification can be sent to the source. The files can be reached to the destination with the secured without any packet loss. Our project demo for an OpenFlow architecture for energy-aware traffic engineering in mobile networks. First, we want to run home.java to start our process. Click on it, home.java, and click run file. This is our home page for an OpenFlow architecture. Click any of the place in the home.java. This is our network design creations. First, start server and deploy the nodes to create a network. This is our second network creation. Deploy the nodes. This is the first node and click on the source node. Second node creation. Destination node. Source files can be chosen and choose the file as a video files or a text file. Choosing the text file. After that, the file can be splitted. It mentioned that the packets can be transmitted between the networks. The file can be splitted. So node details, total number of nodes deployed and the source and the destination node can be selected. This is the packet details, number of splitted packets and the packets name. The distance calculated from a source to destination between two different networks, and the intermediate nodes can be selected. Choosing the 4 as a forwarding node and the splitted packets can be chosen. Clicking the node 1.java as a act as an intermediate node. The file can be transmitted between the intermediate nodes. The receiving ports can be given as a forwarding port and the forwarding port can be given as a next node for a receiving port. This forwarding port can be given as a receiving port for the next one to receive a file. After that, the destination.java can be run and the receiving port can be given as a forwarding port in it. The file can be received. This is the receive file order and the file can be merged. If the single packets can be transmitted, the merging file can be as a single packet. If more packets can be transmitted, the destination can be merged the packet to make as a single packet as a single file. This makes us a more securable transmissions in a network. And the delay can be calculated. This is the time calculated between the nodes from the source to destination within the intermediate nodes, and the delay can be calculated. The node delays can be reduced and the file can be transmitted as more as possible as secured, and the processing time can be mentioned that the file can be transmitted to source to destination within a limited time. Thank you.